Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Sandipon Ganguly, Assistant Professor of Mankor College of West Bengal. In my channel, I shall be uploading different educational videos related to the subject geography. Today, I shall be uploading my first video, that is an introduction to weathering. Through this video, we will be able to learn some fundamental concepts related to weathering, the basic difference between weathering and erosion, and the importance of weathering. So let's get started. So what is weathering? Weathering simply refers to the breakdown or disintegration of rocks by natural agents such as air, water, ice, wave, etc. By weathering, the physical and chemical properties of rocks are altered. And weathering is in situ. That means the weathered products should remain near the parent material. Weathering leads to erosion. What is erosion? Erosion is the large-scale movement of eroded or weathered products. This weathering and erosion is collectively known as denudation. So, let us understand the basic difference between weathering and erosion. Weathering is like a hammer, but erosion is like a truck. So, weathering is a process that breaks down rock, and erosion is a process that moves rock. So, first, weathering takes place and then erosion occurs, or simply we can say that weathering leads to erosion. We have to keep some points in our mind. The breakdown or disintegration of rocks changes the character of the rock. Weathering occurs at the place of rocks. Weathering happens without moving the rock. The weathered products remain near their parent materials. The weathered products are more in equilibrium. The importance of weathering. Weathering exposes stable materials, specifically the minerals. We know that a rock is made up of different minerals. So, due to weathering, when the rocks are broken down, the minerals within the rocks get exposed. So, we are able to collect them. So that is a very positive aspect of weathering, that is weathering exposes stable minerals. Paves the way for erosional process to operate easily. First weathering happens, then erosion takes place. As the rocks are broken down, then the weathered products are carried away. The eroded material subsequently reaches rivers or the sea to be deposited as sediment. So, weathering leads to sedimentation as well. There is a negative aspect of weathering, that is, weathering generates mass movement of rock down the slope and thus causes damage to life. As the rocks are broken down, they are easily transported down the gravity. So, it can damage different properties such as roads, buildings. It can cause human loss as well. But the most positive impact of weathering is that it leads to soil formation. Without weathering, there had been no soil formation. And we all know that soil is the most supportive element of the biotic community. So these images show the effects of weathering. Thank you.